Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a new blank document with a blank canvas on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let's get started. So guys, launch the Affinity Designer on your device. When you open Affinity Designer, the first thing you usually need to do before starting any design project is create a new document. A blank canvas gives you a fresh workspace where you can create illustrations, graphics, layouts, logos, or any other type of design from scratch. And what you need to do, guys, here in the editor or designer is click in File into the top left corner. Then select New, or use the shortcut Ctrl-N. Using the shortcut can save you time, especially if you frequently create new projects. Instead of navigating through the menu every time, you can quickly open a new blank document with just a keyboard command. And then you will be redirected to this pre-setup menu here. So you can choose a page size from that menu. This preset menu allows you to select the document settings before you begin designing. You can choose different page sizes depending on your project requirements, such as A4 for documents, custom sizes for digital designs, or larger formats for printing projects. You can also go through these options here to the right. Adjust the DPI, for example, for the colors, the document units, and so on and so forth. The DPI, or dots per inch setting, is important when you are creating designs that will be printed, because a higher DPI usually provides better print quality. You can also change document units depending on your workflow, such as pixels, inches, or other measurement options. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to open up an A4 canvas or blank page. The A4 size is one of the most commonly used document formats, especially for printable designs, posters, reports, and general creative projects. It is a great option when you need a standard page size to start working on your design. And you will see the new document open in a new tab, so that you can switch between your document tabs here. This tab system makes it easier to work on multiple projects at the same time. You can open different documents, move between them quickly, and manage your designs without closing your current workspace. That's how you do it, guys. Now you know how to create a new blank document and set up your canvas in Affinity Designer. Once your document is ready, you can start adding shapes, images, text, and other design elements to create your project. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.